Now.com.
4 Milwaukee police officers accused of taking part in illegal strip and body cavity searches will stand trial.
The 4 officers, Michael Vagnini, Jeffrey Dahlhoff, Brian Kozelik, and Jacob Knight, all had a preliminary hearing today. Our Myra Sanchuk was there in court when that happened. She is here now with some details on that. Myra?
Right, only one witness took the stand today and told the judge about the allegations. He's a detective in the Milwaukee Police Department's Internal Affairs Division and the lead investigator in the case.
Detective Justin Carloni provided the testimony and statements from a John Doe investigation that led to the charges.
SFF indicates that Michael Vagnini took him out of the squad car for a second search, and during the second search had put his arm around his neck, pulled back on his neck, causing him to lose control of his body, at which point Officer Vagnini put his hand inside of SFF's pants, inside the underwear.
Detective Carloni cited police reports filled out by the officers charged themselves, indicating they did searches of suspects, and they say in many cases drugs were discovered hidden inside their bodies. One suspect accused Officer Vagnini of planting drugs on him. Despite arguments that the other 3 officers did not take an active part in the illegal searches, the judge bound all 4 over for trial. Attorney Jonathan Safran represents some of the victims who may be called to testify in the future.
It's difficult for them to talk about. Certainly, ultimately, I think they want their story to be told. They hope, I think, that they will be the ones to be able to tell it. They feel obviously very strongly about the facts, about what happened to each of them. Ultimately, they obviously want the convictions, and they want, again, anyone who is responsible to be held accountable.
Milwaukee police officer Michael Vagnini faces the longest list of charges, accused of being the main instigator in illegal anal cavity searches. Attorneys for the other 3 officers argued while they might have been nearby during the illegal searches, the fact they did not stop it or report it would not constitute a crime. The judge rejected those arguments, and all 4 will be back in court November 15th. Brett and Ann?
Okay, and I'm sure we will too. Thanks, Myra, for that. And police will tell you there is no such thing as a